Alrighty, thank you and welcome back for another video here at Fun Filaments 3D RC. In today's video, we're just going to be doing a little bit of catching my grand hauler, my LowBoy, and my medium wheel loader in action here. You know, kind of see how it works out, see if everything's working okay. Now I'm gonna be doing this from my living room. It's a little bit too cold to be going outside. Yeah, I'm not doing that. So it's a little bit of a raw video going on here. You're gonna be seeing cameras around. You're gonna see my dog. You know, may see my feet here and there. But I just wanted to try and put something together just to see if everything works. You know, I'm having a little bit of issue with the gooseneck and the deck matching up. You know, sticks a little bit here and there. Just a little bit of a filing. I think it'll be all good. But on that note, it's working beautifully. So, well, sit back, enjoy, and yes, if you got any questions on it, just leave a comment down in the comment below, and I'll get back to you ASAP. So on that note, enjoy.
Somebody's gotta be on that. So go in.
Yeah. That's not a bad idea. Okay, so that concludes this little grand hauler in action here. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, I enjoyed playing with it. It was getting too late and I had to go to bed, but I just wanted to keep playing with it. So, but yeah, well, when it does get a little warmer out, I do intend on going outside, and by that time, I should have a couple more things to play with. Stay tuned for that. Yeah, I got my flatbed I'm working on now. So yeah, if you like this video, check out this video, and don't forget to subscribe so you can stay tuned in for the next videos in the future. So on that note, I'm Roland from Fun Filaments 3D RC. Until next time, keep on RCing.